Now let us see last theorem in this unit ma. It is theorem number 5. Its name is direct sphere theorem ma. Name is what ma? Direct sphere theorem. It is theorem number 5. Here only 5 theorems available. This is the last theorem, but it is important theorem. Statement is, let the conicoid ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 1, where here 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is greater than 0, positive number ma, have a set of 3 mutually perpendicular tangent planes, have a set of 3 mutually perpendicular tangent planes, 3 mutually perpendicular tangent planes, have 3 mutually perpendicular tangent planes, and P is their common point. P is their common point. P is their common point. Then prove that the locus of P is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. This is your direct sphere theorem. Before going to start this theorem, let us see one property in your intermediate level. In your intermediate level already you observed that property. It is, if suppose you can take any 3 mutually perpendicular tangent planes. If suppose those tangent planes direction ratios are these, L1, M1, N1, first line direction ratios, L2, M2, N2 or second line direction ratios, L3, M3, N3 or third line direction ratios, right? If these 3 lines are mutually perpendicular to each other, in such case one property is always true. That property is L1 square plus L2 square plus L3 square is equal to 1. L1 square plus L2 square L3 square equal to 1. Similarly, M1 square plus M2 square plus M3 square equal to 1. M1 square plus M2 square plus M3 square equal to 1. In the similar way, N1 square plus N2 square plus N3 square equal to 1. That means this sum of squares of these results should equal to 1, means unity. That is your first condition. And other condition is L1 M1 plus L2 M2 plus L3 M3 should equal to 0. L1 M1 plus L2 M2 plus L3 M3 equal to 0. In the similar way, M1 N1 plus M2 N2 plus M3 N3 is also equal to 0. M1 N1 plus M2 N2 plus M3 N3 is also equal to 0. In the similar way, N1 L1 plus N2 L2 plus N3 L3 is also equal to 0. Whenever L1 M1 N1, L2 M2 N2, L3 M3 N3 are direction ratios of 3 mutually perpendicular lines, in such case this total sum equal to 1 and this product with sum should equal to what? 0. Try to remember this property here. This is basically in your intermediate level concept. In direction ratios and direction cosines you have this concept. I am going to use this one in the middle stages, right? But before going to start this, first I want to take a given conicoid and let us define 3 mutually perpendicular tangent planes. right? First take your given conicoid ma. Given conicoid is, what is that ma? Ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1. Yes, keep that result aside ma. Here one condition is always possible ma. 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is what ma? Greater than 0 ma. This total sum in the answer should be greater than 0. That is the condition ma, right? Now I want to take three mutually perpendicular tangent planes ma. For my convenience, I am going to take L1x plus M1y plus N1z is equal to P actually, but that P according to theorem number 2 is what ma? Is it L1 square by A plus M1 square by B plus N1 square by C or not? Directly I am writing that ma, is equal to L1 square by A plus M1 square by B plus N1 square by C. This is first plane ma. Second plane, L2x plus M2y plus N2z is equal to again one new P ma, but what is that P according to theorem number 2 ma? Square root of L2 square by A plus M2 square by B plus N2 square by C, and other plane is what ma? L3x plus M3y plus N3z is equal to again new P ma. That P is what? Square root of L3 square by A plus M3 square by B plus N3 square by C. Any doubt with this ma? These are three mutually perpendicular tangent planes. Three mutually perpendicular tangent planes ma, right? I think you understood this. Actually L1x plus My plus N1z means Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P, but P is what ma? Square root of L square by A plus M square by B plus N square by C ma, according to theorem number 2. Like that we taken three planes ma, right? Now I want to take point of contact here ma. P is what ma? Common point between them or not? For all these planes ma, common point is what ma? P. That P, for my convenience, I am going to take P x1, y1, z1 be common point of above planes. Any problem is there ma? We taken P x1, y1, z1 is what ma? Common point of above planes ma. But whenever this is common point, it should be on this plane, it is on the plane, this plane, and it is on this plane ma. Whenever this is on this plane, is it this point satisfies this plane equation or not? I mean, this implies we have L1 x1 plus M1 y1 plus N1 z1 is equal to what ma? Square root of L1 square by A plus M1 square by B plus N1 square by C. Next, if this point is on this plane ma, it is what? L2 x1 plus M2 y1 plus N2 z1 is equal to square root of L2 square by A plus M2 square by B plus N2 square by C. And last one ma, if this point is on this plane ma, it should be L3 x1 plus M3 y1 plus N3 z1 is equal to square root of L3 square by A plus M3 square by B plus N3 square by C, right? In the next step ma, my work is let us square these results individually and then add them ma. I mean squaring and adding above relations ma. Squaring and adding above relations we have, what is that ma? First square this ma, left side square square and add them ma. I mean L1 x1 plus M1 y1 plus N1 z1 whole square plus L2 x1 plus M2 y1 plus n2 z1 whole square plus L3 x1 plus m3 y1 plus n3 z1 whole square is equal to, right side also square them and add ma. This square root gets cancelled. It is what ma? L1 square by a plus m1 square by b plus n1 square by c, because root gets cancelled, plus this ma, L2 square by a plus m2 square by b plus n2 square by c plus last one ma, L3 square by a plus m3 square by b plus n3 square by c. Any problem is there ma? Just we are squaring and adding above relations ma. After that let us go through simplification ma. Here under simplification ma, I want to write separately x1 square coefficient ma, then y1 square z1 square coefficient separately, and x1 y1 y1 z1 z1 x1 coefficient separately. But before that you must go a plus b plus c whole square ma. I am not doing that expansion ma, directly I am writing. A square term gives your x square coefficient ma. It is L1 x1 square gives what ma? X1 square coefficient means L1 square plus this is also x1 square coefficient plus L2 square plus this is also what ma? X1 square coefficient L3 square whole into x1 square. Any doubt here? If you can have any doubt here ma, expand all these things according to a plus b whole square condition ma, then write x1 square coefficient separately, y1 square coefficient separately, z1 square coefficient separately, and then x1 y1 coefficient separately, y1 z1 coefficient separately, z1 x1 coefficient separately. That gives this total left side portion ma, but I am doing directly ma, right? Next go for b square term ma, gives, is it y1 square coefficient or not? It is what? m1 square plus m2 square plus m3 square into y1 square plus c square coefficient ma, n1 square plus n2 square plus n3 square. This gives your into z1 square ma, sorry, this gives a square term ma. Next let us go for what ma? 2ab 2bc 2ca like that ma. If we can go through 2ab ma, this is x1 y1 coefficient or not, 2 into this into this, I want to take 2 common and x1 y1 common ma. It is L1 m1 L1 m1 plus here also 2ab term gives what ma? L2 m2 plus here also 2ab term gives what ma? L3 m3 into x1 y1. Any problem is there? Plus next ma, here I am going to write plus 2 into y1 z1 2bc term ma. It is m1 n1 plus m2 n2 plus m3 n3 into y1 z1 plus 2ca ma. It is 2 into 2 take common ma. It is n1 l1 plus n2 l2 plus n2 l2 plus n3 l3. Directly I did this ma, into z1 x1 is equal to, this is left side portion ma. In your notes ma, suddenly student not written this two word ma, once correct it ma. They are simply writing this into x1 y1, this into y1 z1, this into z1 x1, but there is no problem in further stages because it becomes 0 in the next step ma. But here it is what ma, 2 into this 2 into this 2 into this. While you are writing in the notes, write here 2 ma, compulsory multiple 2 write ma, is equal to right side proceed ma. In the right side ma, first I want to write 1 by a coefficient ma. What is 1 by a coefficient? L1 square plus L2 square plus L3 square. This is 1 by a coefficient. Next write 1 by b coefficient ma. It is what? m1 square plus m2 square plus m3 square. Next write down 1 by c coefficient ma. 1 by c coefficient is what here ma? n1 square plus n2 square plus n3 square. Is it gives complete simplification of above expression or not? Here in the beginning stages, before starting this solution, I explained ma, if L1 M1 N1 L2 M2 N2 L3 M3 N3 are direction ratios of three mutually perpendicular tangent lines, mutually perpendicular lines ma, then already I told ma some relation, this L1 square plus L2 square plus L3 square is 1, M1 square plus M2 square plus M3 square is 1, and this is 1 ma, and this product is 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0 ma. For that, for my convenience, I am taking this is number 1 ma. Whenever these are mutually perpendicular tangent planes ma, here L1 M1 N1 L2 M2 N2 L3 N3 N3 are direction ratios of normal to these planes ma, so that those are also what ma, perpendicular to each other ma. That word I am writing ma. Given that above three planes are mutually perpendicular to each other, mutually perpendicular to each other, so that, yes, I am writing that relation now. What is that relation? L1 square plus L2 square plus L3 square is equal to 1. In the similar way, M1 square plus M2 square plus M3 square is equal to 1, which is same as what no? N1 square plus N2 square plus N3 square. This is first relation no? In the similar way, L1 M1 plus L2 M2 plus L3 M3 is equal to 0. L1 M1 plus L2 M2 plus L3 M3 equal to 0, which is same as M1 N1 plus M2 N2 plus M3 N3 is equal to 0, which is same as N1 L1 plus N2 L2 plus N3 L3 is also 0. Whenever these are three mutually perpendicular tangent lines ma, whenever these are three mutually perpendicular planes ma, 100% this is true ma. Substitute this in relation number 1 ma, right? Shall I do here? From 1 implies, is it visible or not? From 1 implies, okay. Here it is what ma, 1, I mean 1 into x1 square plus 1 into y1 square plus 1 into z1 square. 1 into, this is 1 now, 1 into x1 square plus 1 into y1 square plus 1 into z1 square ma, right? Plus 2 into 0, basically this is what ma, 0 into x1 y1 plus 2 into 0 into y1 z1 plus 2 into 0 into z1 x1. Any problem is there? 2 into 0 into x1 y1 plus 2 into 0 into y1 z1 plus 2 into 0 into z1 x1 due to this relation ma. This is left side portion ma, is equal to right side portion is what ma, 1 by a into this total thing according to this is what ma, 1 or not, 1 plus 1 by b into 1 plus 1 by c into 1. Any problem with this ma? Just I want to remove these steps ma. At end stages define locus of P ma, because it is a common point. We need locus of P only na. Yes, just see here ma, these lines are enough. I mean, yes, this left side portion becomes what ma? This implies x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square, x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square, this total thing is 0 na, is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. This is simplified form of it ma, right? Now define locus of point P ma. The locus of point P is already x1 y1 z1 no? Locus means replace x1 with x, y1 with y, z1 with z ma. What we get ma? X square plus y square plus z square equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. Is it completes our result or not? X square plus y square plus z square equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is what ma? The locus of point P ma. This is about your important theorem, theorem number 5. It is the last theorem in this unit. Yes, ma. Next problem. It is a tangent plane to the surface. A tangent plane to the surface. A tangent plane to the surface. X square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1 makes equal angle with the coordinate axis, equal angle with the coordinate axis. Show that it forms a tetrahedron. It forms a tetrahedron. It forms a tetrahedron of volume. It is 1 by 6 into a square plus b square plus c square whole to the power of 3 by 2. 1 by 6 into a square plus b square plus c square whole to the power of 3 by 2. A tangent plane to surface x square by a square means ellipsoid ma. X square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1. Its surface is ellipsoid. Makes equal angle means the tangent plane of this ellipsoid makes equal angle, same angle with x axis, y axis, z axis ma. Show that it forms, that means that forms a tetrahedron having volume what ma? 1 by 6 into a square plus b square plus c square whole to the power of 3 by 2 ma. First let us take given conicoid ma. Given surface, simply I am writing, same word I am using. You can use surface or conicoid or ellipsoid. Given surface is x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1, right? In the statement what they are giving ma? They are giving that tangent plane to this surface makes equal angle with the coordinate axis. Given that tangent plane to above surface makes equal angle with the coordinate axis, so that 1, 1 are direction ratios of the normal to the plane. How is it possible? I will explain. Actually, in your coordinate system, just I given formula only, but in coordinate system, whenever one line is making equal angles with coordinate axis, then direction cosines of that line are plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by root 3. These are direction cosines of that line. If a line is making equal angles with the coordinate axis, this we proved in something like cones. In cones, right circular cone, I defined this 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 are direction ratios of a line which makes equal angle with the coordinate axis. I proved this, right? Whenever one line is making same angle alpha with coordinate axis, then there 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 are direction cosines of that line. But when these becomes direction cosines, if this numerator 1, 1, 1 are direction ratios, understood or not? If 1, 1, 1 are direction ratios of a line, then what about its direction cosines? 1 by root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. Is it 1 by root 3 or not? 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. That one only. That means whenever one line is making equal angle with coordinate axis, that line direction ratios are what? 1 comma 1 comma 1. That same thing we used here. This tangent plane is making equal angles with coordinate axis means what? A line which is perpendicular to the tangent plane should makes equal angle with what? Coordinate axis. That is direction ratios of that normal line should be what? 1 1 1. Understood or not? Whenever 1 comma 1 comma 1 are direction ratios of the normal to the plane, then is it possible to write plane equation or not? The equation of plane is one into x plus 1 into y plus 1 into z is equal to p, where here what is p once look? Basically it is, if a, b, c are direction ratios normal to the plane, what is the plane? Ax plus by plus cz is equal to p. P is what? Square root of, it is tangent plane. P actually this is tangent plane. What is the theorem number 2 condition according to tangent plane? It is a square L square plus b square m square plus c square n square. That one only I am writing. A square into L square 1 square plus b square into L square 1 square plus c square into m square. A square into L square plus b square into m square plus c square into n square means 1 square. This is your p. But what is this? Is it square root of a square plus b square plus c square or not? Because a square into 1 square is a square, b square into 1 square is b square, c square into 1 square is c square. That means here p is what? Root a square plus b square plus c square. Whenever this is tangent plane, this is tangent plane to your given surface or conicoid. Any doubt here? Right? Next continuation do this we can write as like this. 1 into x is what? X plus y plus z equal to p, where what is p here? Square root of a square plus b square plus c square. For our convenience let it be number 1. But in the statement what they given? A tangent plane to this conicoid or surface meets coordinate axis. It is making equal angle means what? It should meet x axis, it should meet y axis, it should meet z axis. Whenever your this value is p, if your plane is like this x plus y plus z equal to p, if it can meet x axis, what is x axis point? y0 z0, then x equal to p or not? That means that point becomes what? P comma 0 comma 0 or not. Once again I am repeating this word. Whenever this plane can meet coordinate axis, right? Especially if this can meet x axis, there substitute y is 0, z is 0. X axis means what? Y value, z value 0 or not on x axis. Substitute them, x equal to p will get. That means x axis result is p, y is 0, z is 0. This is your x axis point, meeting point. Similarly for y axis it is what? Substitute x equal to 0, z equal to 0. If this plane can meet coordinate axis, especially y axis at some b, this is a point, at some b, then what is that b point? Substitute x is 0, y is 0. Y value becomes what? P or not? X is 0, y is p, z is 0. In the similar way, if this can meet z axis at some capital C point, then what about capital C coordinates? 0 comma 0 comma p, because z axis means x0 y0, z equal to p means x0 y0, z axis result is p. These are meeting points of this with coordinate axis. That word we are writing in the next step, right? That is, given that above plane meets coordinate axis at capital A. X axis is what already I explained, p 0 0. Y axis is point B, 0 p 0, and z axis c. What is that? 0 0 p. Directly I written this. Nowhere in the statement, but whenever it can makes equal angle with coordinate axis, this must meet x axis here, y axis here, z axis here. That condition we proceed. Any doubt with this? After this, now define distance from O to A. O means origin. O means origin. Actually diagram should be like this. this is origin ma, this is A point ma, this is B point, and this is C point. This is P 0 0. This is what ma? 0 P 0, and this is 0 0 P ma. These are meeting points of your plane ma, like this. Now what is distance from O to P? This is O means origin na. From origin to this point P, distance calculate ma. It is OA. You can denote with OA ma, which is what ma? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Is it P or not? Directly I am writing. Because root of 0 square plus 0 square plus p square. I mean root of p square plus 0 square plus 0 square. Is it P or not? In the similar way, OB is what ma? Distance from here to here. It is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Is it root p square? P or not? Similarly, OC is what now? OC is also P. Any doubt is there? Now let us go for volume of your tetrahedron OABC ma, right? Here OABC we got ma. We know that this is general formula ma. The volume of tetrahedron OABC is 1 by 6 into distance from O to A into distance from O to B into distance from O to C. It is the general formula. This tetrahedron OABC volume is what? 1 by 6 into this distance from O to A, distance from O to B, distance from O to C. That I taken ma. Generally I am denoting this volume with V ma. V is equal to 1 by 6 into what is OA ma? P. What is OB ma? P into what is OC ma? P. This is 1 by 6 into P cube. Any doubt is there? But already we know what is P ma. Substitute that P here ma. But P is equal to root of A square plus B square plus C square ma. This implies what is that tetrahedron volume ma? 1 by 6 into root of A square plus B square plus C square whole to the power of 3. Otherwise this you can write as V is equal to what ma? 1 by 6 into this you can write as what ma? A square plus B square plus C square whole to the power of 3 by 2 ma. Is it that gives your required result or not? This is about your question. Yes, see last question in this unit ma. It is important question. In previous examination this question already they given ma. That question is a tangent plane to the ellipsoid. A tangent plane to the ellipsoid. A tangent plane to the ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1 meets coordinate axis in capital A, capital B, capital C, A, B, C points ma. Find the locus of centroid of here 2 bits available ma. Bit number 1 is triangle ABC, this is the first question, and second bit is means find the locus of centroid of tetrahedron OABC. In these 2 bits available ma, but if you can throw that bit number 1 ma, in the similar way you can proceed bit number 2 also. Same model you can do bit number 2 ma. Logic is same, but let us see what is that ma. A tangent plane to the ellipsoid meets coordinate axis at capital A, capital B, capital C. That means let us take a tangent plane to the ellipsoid and it is meeting x axis at A, y axis at B, z axis at C. Then you get triangle ABC. Let us define centroid of the triangle ABC. I mean locus of centroid of the triangle ABC. That is first question. Next, define locus of centroid of tetrahedron OABC also. O means origin. ABC points are x axis, y axis, z axis points. This is your question, right? First I am taking given ellipsoid. Given ellipsoid is x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1. I am going to do bit number 1, first bit. In that bit, in the beginning stages only, I want to take centroid of some triangle ABC is some x1, y1, z1 point. Generally we can denote centroid with G. Let G x1, y1, z1 be the centroid of triangle ABC, right? But whenever this x1, y1, z1 be centroid of triangle ABC, and if suppose tangent plane to ellipsoid can meet the coordinate axis, right? Then what is this A point, what is this B point, what is this C point? This implies A point becomes what? 3x1, 0, 0. How is it? I will explain. B point is what? 0, 3, y1, 0. And C point is what? 0, 0, 3, z1. Reason is this. Actually x1 is what? X1 is what? Centroid x axis. Basically if suppose xn is meeting at A means point should be what? Some A comma 0 comma 0. This is capital A. General point. X axis point is this. Centroid is what? x1. x1 is equal to what? A plus 0 plus 0 by 3. Then 3x1 is A or not? That means this A part, A result should be what? 3x1 or not. Like that. Your capital A point is what? 3x1, 0, 0. In the similar way, B point is basically 0, B, 0. Centroid is what? y1. We are denoting centroid y axis. It is what? 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 by 3. Then 3y1 is what? B or not? Substitute here. Is it 0, 3y1, 0 or not? Like that you can go for this C point also. This is basically capital C point. Any doubt is there? Right? Now I am going to define a plane passing through these 3 points. But here if you can go through this, is it 3x1 is x intercept, 3y1 is y intercept, 3z1 is z intercept or not? If suppose A comma B comma C, if suppose A comma B comma C are intercepts of the plane with the coordinate axis, then what is the plane equation? X by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to 1 or not? In formula list planes I given. If x intercept is A, y intercept is B, z intercept is C, then equation of the plane is what? X by A plus y by B plus z by C equal to 1. Here x intercept, this 0 means x intercept is 3x1, y intercept is 3y1 because these two zeros. Z intercept is what? 3z1 because these three zeros. These two zeros. I mean x intercept is 3x1, y intercept is 3y1 and z intercept is 3z1. Then what is the equation of the plane? X by 3x1 plus y by 3x1, y1 plus z by 3z1 equal to 1. That I am proceeding. Here clearly I am writing 3x1 comma 3y1 and 3z1 are intercepts of the plane with the coordinate axis. So that the equation of plane is yes, what is that? X by 3x1 plus y by 3y1 plus z by 3z1 is equal to 1. Any problem is there? I want to remove these lines because you may get confusion. This is not required. Just for understanding purpose only I explained this ma. Yes, come on to here. This I am going to write as, this result I am going to write as 1 by 3x1 into x. I am writing it as ax plus by plus cz plus equal to p formation ma. This is right lx plus my 1 by 3y1 into y plus nz 1 by 3z1 into z equal to 1. Any problem is there? 1 by 3x1 into x plus 1 by 3y1 into y plus 1 by 3z1 into z ma. This is in the form of lx plus my plus nz is equal to p. But in the statement what they given ma? It is tangent plane to the given conicoid ma. I mean ellipsoid ma. Whenever this is tangent plane to this ellipsoid, this p square, this is p na, p equal to 1 na, this p square is equal to what ma? Square root of a square into this plus b square into this plus c square into this. A square root of a square l square plus b square m square plus c square n square ma. According to theorem number 2, that I am proceeding here ma, right? Given that above plane is tangent plane to given ellipsoid, so that what we have, p square means 1 square is equal to square root of a square into 1 by 3x1 square, a square L is this ma, plus b square into 1 by 3y1 square plus c square into 1 by 3z1 square. Here clear reason I am writing for your convenience, since p square is equal to what ma? Square root of, I mean p is equal to 1 equal to I am writing, p is equal to what ma? Square root of a square L square plus b square m square plus c square n square. Afterwards you can square it ma, but p value should be what ma? Means 1 is equal to, this is p na, 1 is equal to this ma. Now in the next step, to remove this root ma, take square condition on both sides. 1 square is 1 equal to what ma? A square by 9x1 square, directly I am writing, plus b square by 9y1 square plus c square by 9z1 square. Any problem is there? Because we are removing root na, on taking square condition on both sides. Now here take 9 common ma, take on to other side, but I am writing this as like this ma. A square by x1 square, a square by x1 square plus b square by y1 square, b square by y1 square plus c square by z1 square is equal to, actually it is 1 na, 1 into 9 you taken common na, it is 9. Any problem is there? Now let us define locus of G, because we need locus of this centroid of triangle ABC na. Let us go for locus of point G ma. The locus of point G is, what is that ma? A square by x square plus b square by y square plus c square by z square is equal to 9. A square by x square plus b square by y square plus c square by z square is equal to 9 ma. This is your first bit ma. We define the locus of centroid of tetrahedron. G means what ma? It is, sorry, locus of centroid of triangle ABC or not. Now locus of centroid of triangle ABC gives what ma? This. In the similar way, let us go for second bit. Basically for second bit separate explanation is not required. Directly I am doing the work here ma, on using these steps ma. First to take this line ma. Let us take G x1 y1 z1 is what ma? Some centroid of tetrahedron OABC. Let G x1 y1 z1 be centroid of tetrahedron OABC. Tetrahedron OABC. So that, or this implies directly I am writing A point is what ma? 4x1 0 0. Any doubt? Because here OABC in a tetrahedron OABC means 4 points. A plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 by 4 equal to. Actually here point origin also we have to take na. Now x1 becomes what ma? A plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 by 4, where A is a point on x axis ma. then 4x1 is what ma, a or not ma? Now your point is what ma, 4x1, a comma 0 comma 0 na, it is 4x1 0 0. In the similar way, b point, can you guess ma, 0 4y1 0, and c point is what ma, 0 0 4z1. This is the only difference if you can compare with your previous problem ma. There 3x1 3y1 3z1 we got, here what ma, 4x1 4y1 and 4z1. Remaining work you can do as usual, same like this ma, right? Same steps I am writing here. 3x1 3y1 what ma, I mean 4x1, here 4x1 4y1 and 4z1 are what ma, intercepts of the plane, with the coordinate axis. The equation of plane is, in this case, equation of plane is, you know, x by 4 x1 plus y by 4 y1 plus z by 4 z1 is equal to 1. It is if a, b, c are intercepts ma, what do we have ma, x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1 ma. That work we did ma. Again this you can write as what ma, 1 by 4 x1 into x plus 1 by 4 y1 into y plus 1 by 4 z1 into z is equal to 1. Any problem with this ma? Right? Next same step ma, given that this plane is tangent plane to your given conicoid ma, so that what we have ma, p is equal to root of a square l square plus b square m square plus c square n square is equal to p ma. That I am doing ma. Given that above plane is tangent plane to given ellipsoid na, right, given ellipsoid, so that p is equal to, here p is 1 na, this is in the form of lx plus my plus nz equal to p is 1 na, square root of a square into 1 by 4 x1 square plus b square into 1 by 4 y1 square plus c square into 1 by 4 z1 whole square. Any problem is there ma? In the next step, take square condition on both sides to remove this ma, and this internally simplification also you can do. 1 square is 1 na, is equal to a square by 16 x1 square plus b square by 16 y1 square plus c square by 16 z1 square. Otherwise this you can write as what ma, a square by x1 square plus b square by y1 square plus c square by z1 square is equal to 16. Now let us go for the locus of tetrahedron OABC ma, means locus of this point G ma. The locus of G is, yes, locus means what ma, a square by x square plus b square by y square plus c square by z square is equal to 16. A square by x square plus b square by y square plus c square by z square is equal to 16. This is the locus of centroid of tetrahedron OABC ma. This completes your second bit, and this is about first bit and second bit. Both are similar bits ma. Both are similar. If you can understood logic of this first bit ma, easily you can do second bit. Apart from here 3, let us take here 4 ma. That is the only difference ma. This is about your important question, and this is about your complete syllabus ma, right? Unit 3 also completed. Here including practical list also we completed ma. Not only theory, in our material ma, I gave solutions of practical list questions also. Just go through them. Maximum questions I did in this ma. Maximum questions I did here ma, in our video recording ma. Few questions available, few practical list questions, solutions available in our material ma. Just go through for it ma, right? Once go through for it, you can get complete idea ma. This is about your total syllabus ma. We completed unit number 1 spheres, Unit number 2 is what ma? Cones and cylinders, and third unit is what ma? Conicoid. But once go through ma, this conicoid chapter is very small unit ma. It is very small unit, but remember, marks weightage is equal for all units. Even for third unit also, like first and second units, same marks weightage is there. That's why don't neglect it ma. And one more thing ma, already I told, whenever if you are perfect your unit number 2 ma, then in this unit nothing difficult, same concepts again repeated here ma, right? This is about your unit number 3, and this is about your complete syllabus ma. Yes, listen one more thing ma. Watch our videos number of times ma, so that easily you can understand a subject ma, right? Just only once see and keep back ma, right? Don't do like that ma. See number of times our videos ma, so that you can understood complete concept of our subject ma. And one more thing, in these videos only I did maximum important questions ma. Maximum important questions I covered in these videos ma. In the material, just extra homework problems available ma. Maximum important questions I had done here only in videos only ma. That's why watch videos number of times ma, right? And prepare notes ma. Separate notes have to prepare ma, including your material problems also, homework problems also. You should write on that in that notes ma, right? Prepare notes and proceed your practice ma. This is about your complete syllabus ma.